Welcome to our channel. Whether you're an aspiring creator or looking to grow your presence on YouTube, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing 5 essential tips to help you kickstart your YouTube journey and set yourself up for success. Tip 1. Define your niche. Choosing a niche is like choosing your audience. It's crucial for building a dedicated following. By focusing on a specific niche, you can attract a targeted audience that shares your interests. Whether it's beauty, gaming, or cooking, find what you're passionate about and make it the core of your content. Tip 2. Create high-quality content. Quality content is the foundation of any successful YouTube channel. It's what keeps viewers coming back for more. Invest in good equipment and focus on delivering value to your audience. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Tip 3. Optimize your channel. Optimizing your channel is like putting up a billboard in a crowded city. You want to stand out and grab people's attention. Make sure your channel name, description, and keywords reflect your content. A well-optimized channel can significantly improve your visibility and attract more subscribers. Tip 4. Consistency is key. Consistency breeds trust and loyalty. It's what separates successful channels from the rest. Stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, consistency is key to building a loyal following. Tip 5. Engage with your audience. Your viewers are your biggest asset. Engage with them, listen to their feedback, and make them feel valued. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. Building a strong relationship with your audience can lead to long-term success. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you kickstart your YouTube channel and reach your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your online presence. Until next time, happy YouTubing.